So this is where things get a little tricky. This is where we need to implement our reset and our reset all. So before we get going too far down that road, we'll just give this reset button an ID of reset. And give it a margin of right 5. Good. There we got a little separation in between our buttons there. So, and I notice we're not getting cursor pointer there. Which a pointer gives us the pointer when we're over the button. We could even do it for these two if you wanted to. So how are we going to reset? So basically we need to reset them all to white at the same time. So we need to reset the color to white all at the same time. So this is how I came up with doing this. A state of reset all to the main app component initiated as false. Pass that down to our light components, like so. And I'm going to use another one of the React lifecycle methods. I want to say component update. I would have used component will receive props, but they're saying don't use that anymore. They're saying use component did update or another lifecycle method. And this takes previous props, previous state as parameters. But I don't even need those really. I just need something that's gonna be called where I can do some logic before things are rendered. So what we can say here is if this.props reset all this.set state or right. So we just need to figure out a way. It's down here, reset all is false. We need a way to trigger that to true. So reset all function that says this.set state reset all true. So that's going to get triggered. We have to figure out how to trigger that, but it's going to get triggered. It's going to pass down a new prop, which is going to go through component did update, and then it's going to see this, and then it's going to turn them all to white. So what we do is we come down to the reset all button and say on click reset all. Problem with that is we get a bunch of colors here. Reset all. So that clears it. But now we can't get the colors back. So the way I figured out to get around it is I just put a callback to this.setState. And just to make sure, I'm going to make it a set timeout. And call it at least a quarter second later. And a set timeout is just going to be this.setState. Reset all, false. So just switch it back. And our update thing here, our component that update, only gets triggered if this is true. So once this is false, it's not going to get triggered anymore. So now when we reset all, we can come back and add color again and reset all again. Ooh, I don't like that blue outline. We'll get rid of that real quick. On the button, just say outline, none, and it's gone. No more outline. So now, how are we going to reset an individual cell? We need a way to track a cell. So we'll make a piece of state called index to track a cell. And we'll make a function that's going to take in that index and set the state equal to that index. And we'll pass that down. Like so. And somehow we have to call it from inside light. So we'll call it on the click because we need to reset the last previously clicked. The last previously clicked cell is the one we want to deal with because we want to turn it back to white on the just reset. We'll call this.props.handle index. So what we can do here is console log index. And we need a way to put that parameter index in there though. So just to be sure, we've already got a key. So I'll say number, also D. So for the parameter, we'll say this.props.number. Now, when we click on we're going to have to fix that because we're getting undefined.